Okay, I have composed two emails. It's in draft, and this right hand side, it looks different than the left hand side, right? You see the difference? Yes, this quoted text. So here is just a tab and in double quotes, but here there is a special line, right, to the beginning of the paragraph or a sentence, right? So this looks good and clear, and this is called quoted text. So this option is newly added in the Microsoft Outlook. If you have seen my video earlier, I have made a video about it. This was about same quoted text, but this option was available in Outlook web client, right? It was not there in the Windows or Mac application, standalone application, but now thus that feature is added in the application. So let's see how to do this. It's very simple, right? So let's remove this double quote and also the tab. Select the entire text and go to styling here and then click on quotes, right? Same thing here. Style and then quote, right? So this definitely looks better than the simply putting a tab and then putting the content in the quotes, right? So this is how you send quoted text. So what are the situation you send quoted text? Something like someone has said earlier and you're copy pasting their content as is, or a reference you're giving or a citation you're giving, right? So quoted text gives a highlight this context or gives a little bit a different context. You must be knowing already how to where to include the quoted text, but the intention of this video is to how to send quoted text in the MS Outlook. Thank you.